Alright, it's coffee time. What do I want to get? I had that orange one, that wasn't so good. Those are okay. Ooh, Hawaii, or island. And those ones are hot. Those ones are cold. Ooh, premium bosu. Alright, that's the one I want. Again. Come on, buddy. Oh, now I done it. Here we go. Oh, 1,000. Oh, it's like Vegas. Oh, premium bosu. Let's get Brendan a mystery drink. Oh yeah, that one. Full of vegetables. Let's see, 140. One. 10. Gotta get rid of these 10s. Hard to do one-handed. Tea. 30. 40. Alright. Cold. Green Dakara. Ah! Yeah, okay. And this one goes in my hand because it's barely over freezing. My hands are cold. Coffee for the morning.